up? My name's Melinda, and I'm a Sephora Beauty Director.
Hi, everyone. I'm David, also a Sephora Beauty Director.
And I'm Helen. I'm the national artist for Sephora Collection.
And today we are doing a scent challenge. This is like a game show moment. I'm very excited. Basically, I've sprayed 4 of these scent strips with 4 of our best-selling fragrances. You'll see there's 5 fragrances here. We're just gonna throw them off a little bit. And they're gonna smell each of the scent strips and guess the notes of the fragrance and then ultimately which fragrance it is.
Oh.
So we're putting you to the test.
Okay.
I'm
feeling
about to
confident.
fail.
I was like, we have opposite feelings. I feel pretty confident.
I'm going to fail.
I wear 2 of these fragrances. You and I
Okay.
did a video with one of the fragrances 2 weeks ago. And, you know.
Helen has a leg up, David.
I feel like there's sabotage here. I'm being set up for failure.
What do we
There's
win?
no doubt.
You win my ultimate love and support.
All right. This is great. I can't wait. This is all I needed.
Okay, first scent. I have these scent strips for you both, and I basically just want you to smell it. See if you can, like, pick out any notes that might stand out to you, and maybe start, process of elimination.
Like rose?
Okay.
Yeah, it is like a floral, right?
Floral is on the right track.
I think it has like a bite to it, which usually means like a bergamot. Like it's not quite just floral, right? I know.
Well, Helen.
Helen is just our resident nose.
I'm like, it smells really pretty.
It's really
That's
pretty.
the note I smell. It
I smell
smells
pretty.
Okay, so we
So
have floral, maybe a little bit of citrus.
We have pretty.
We have
We
pretty.
have pretty.
There's a note of pretty in here.
Yes, it is. I think I'm also like, I definitely am cheating a little bit because I have a feeling I know what this fragrance is, and I know about the notes from 2 weeks ago because I locked it up in here. Memorized
I'm
it.
also cheating, but not the same way you are. I'm doing powers of deduction from
yeah,
what
you
I
go.
know of some of these
That's smart.
fragrances, and I'm eliminating 2 right off the bat.
Yeah.
I eliminated Replica and Atelier.
Oh, funny.
I know it's not
eliminated
those 2.
Okay, that's funny.
And I know it's not this one. So I'm going between one of these 2. My power of deduction is taking me here.
Agreed.
To my way.
My way.
All right, is that your final answer?
Yeah.
Final
Yeah.
answer?
Final answer.
We're locked in. Okay, so you both failed miserably, and actually it's bubble bath. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, I was like, no way is it bubble bath. Okay.
No, you both got it. It is Armani My Way Eau de Parfum. This is a classic floral, so you nailed it with the floral right away. It has orange blossom, tuberose, and a hint of vanilla.
Tuberose. That's
it.
what it is.
It was like
I said
geranium,
rose.
gardenia,
I just didn't say
rose,
tuberose.
Jasmine. I
And
knew
you
it
said
wasn't.
bergamot, which was like close to the orange
Yeah.
blossom.
Yeah.
So you got the citrus.
Okay.
You started, dang.
The tuberose,
You
like
did great.
now it's
Now
what
it's
I
like,
smell.
that's all I smell.
I
Yeah.
smell is
Yeah.
tuberose.
All right, set number 2. Let's see if we can get a momentum going. You started off strong. Now, this is the second. Here you are. Here you
Thank you.
are. Give it a little sniff.
Oh, I don't know this fragrance.
Oh, wait.
It's not what I
Wait,
thought
whoa,
it was.
right?
Wait, whoa, yeah.
Yeah.
It has
This-
like a woods.
A
Wait, whoa,
woodsy.
wait,
Yeah,
whoa,
that's
woods.
why I'm like,
It's
wait a
a
minute.
woods.
I'm not,
I know, it's very nice. I really like this
Oh,
fragrance.
yeah, this is good.
I know what it is.
You do? Cheating!
I was thinking about all these fragrances, and I'm like, yeah, I know.
This is a very nice smell, though. Like,
I
I actually really like this a lot, and
I mean, I would take a bubble bath in this fragrance, but I don't
that's
think
not
it's
what it
bubble
is.
bath.
Yeah. I'm between these 2 right here.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to figure out.
Which ones are you between?
I'm between the Maison and Atelier.
Oh.
Okay.
Interesting.
I-
Choices. Interesting.
So I don't want to give you too many hints because you did so well on the first one that I want to give you a little more of a challenge. So I'm really just going to let you guess on this.
I'm going to
ready.
go with the Maison.
Virtue.
Okay.
Virtue.
Oh, really?
I think
Wow.
I think it's what is this woods?
No,
Something?
that's
Vanilla
vanilla.
woods. Yeah. I think it's vanilla woods.
Okay. And you are...
It smells woodsy. No?
It does smell woodsy. Oh, I'm confused.
It's in the
You're
name, David.
confusing me. It does smell woodsy, but I don't smell vanilla that much. But I smell woods.
It don't smell that much vanilla. I do agree with you on that one.
All right, my friends.
All right, I'm gonna go with this one. I don't.
Final answer?
Okay.
Yeah.
Maison. Final answer?
Virtue.
Virtue. The answer is Maison Margiela Replica Bubble Bath.
Oh my god!
Oh! I refute that. I need to see
Wow.
receipts I need to see the footage.
That's classy. That's a classy
Wow.
bubble bath that you're taking. Woodsy? Are you in the
That's
wood?
really...
You're forest bathing.
So
if
this
you're
is
going
a
with this.
fresh
It's very nice.
floral with jasmine and
I had no
lavender,
idea.
rose,
God, it
white
totally
musk,
is.
and coconut milk
It
accord.
totally is. And I have this fragrance, and I
Oh
couldn't...
my gosh.
I thought for sure when you both sniffed it that you would get it like that because you were both like, huh, that's unique because it is a unique fragrance and it's a
Yes.
newer fragrance. So I thought like, oh, maybe that'll indicate,
Oh my gosh.
hey, you have to fail
I feel hoodwinked.
to succeed. All right, so you're both tied. You got the first one. Failed a little bit on the second one, but that's okay. We're narrowing it down so it'll get easier, but your nose might be getting a little bit tired from smelling multiple scents.
Oh, right.
So that's also an added challenge.
Okay. I know what this is. I love this fragrance.
Oh, Helen's coming in confident.
This well, that's what I said last time, so I guess you know. I love this fragrance. It's vanilla.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like fragrance.
I smell vanilla.
Very strong, like in a not very strong. It's subtle, is what I meant to say. But it's like the thing that I like about it is it doesn't smell like a cookie. It's like a cool vanilla.
That's
it really
a
does
great
smell
way
like
of
a.
Not
saying it.
sugary.
It smells like an iced vanilla drink. I don't know. It smells so good.
I think I know what this one is.
I do too.
I think this is Atelier.
Atelier?
Yeah.
I think so as well. I think it's Atelier Cologne. It's such a beautiful.
Final answer?
Yeah.
My friends, this time you are both right. This is the Atelier Cologne Vanille Incense Pure Perfume.
Beautiful.
So you definitely nailed it with the vanilla. You probably smelled some of the amber too. It's a warm and sweet gourmand fragrance. But you know what's making it cool that you kept talking about, like kind of this iciness or lightness, is lime.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Yeah, but that's a thing with colognes. A true cologne has to have like a citrus oil, I believe, in it. So almost all the Atelier have some form of like an undertone of like...
It's just so nice how it lightens
nice,
it.
yeah.
Because we talk
Yes.
about vanilla a lot, and vanilla is beautiful.
Yeah.
But sometimes vanilla can be too heavy for people.
Yeah, for
like
me.
it's a sensitive scent for some, and adding that bit of lime just like lightens it and makes it way
Yeah.
more
I think it makes
approachable.
it more like
I
like
like
a
this, yeah.
seasonally appropriate
Yeah,
for
that's
every
true,
season.
too.
Sometimes
Yeah.
I feel like vanilla, because it has that warmth to it, I feel like it's like a fall or
Yeah.
like an
Yeah.
autumn kind of a fragrance, and this or even winter, but like this lightens it up. I feel like
Yeah.
you can wear this all year round.
I love Atelier colognes in
Me too.
general.
All right, so this is the tiebreaker rounds. You're tied right now. You got the first one. You didn't get the second one. You both got the third one. So this is high stakes right
Yes.
now. High stakes.
We're going for your love and adoration. So
Absolutely.
This is
That
it.
is that is the prize. So what do you smell?
ooh.
Any
I think
notes?
It's lovely.
I think it's very like mysterious smelling, which is not really a good descriptor, but I really like this fragrance because I think it does have like that woodsy sandalwood vibe or maybe cedar, and then it has like the santal flower kind of, and has that vanilla too. To me, it is a very balanced fragrance.
So Helen smells some vanilla.
A little bit.
David smells
don't.
no vanilla.
I don't.
And we're choosing between two fragrances, one of which is like primarily vanilla and one of which is not so much.
True,
Yeah.
and one is called Vanilla Woods, but I know this fragrance because I wear it. So.
Yeah, this... I remember the candle smelling.
Maison.
It's very nice, yeah. Maison Louis Marie.
All right, we're locked in with our final answer. All right, so you were both right. This is the Maison Louis Marie number 4 Bois de Balancourt Eau de Parfum. So it's an earthy and woody category, so you were dead
Stunning.
on with that. You nailed it, Helen, with the sandalwood.
Awesome.
And also vetiver and amberwood,
Vetiver.
which is so beautiful.
It's a good one. It's a,
Love
yeah.
that.
Like
Vetiver.
when you described it as like mysterious and like I don't know, I see that.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
kind of sultry. All right, so now let's talk about my sneaky decoy scent.
Yes.
It's here. This one is from the 7 Virtues. It's the Vanilla Woods Eau de Parfum. Smell it. It's gorgeous. It's a warm and sweet gourmand, and it has pear,
Yes.
rose, and vanilla.
Oh wow, the pear.
The
pops.
pear
The
hits
pear
it.
pops.
Yeah, that's-
it's really good.
It's the pear for me.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
it's really pretty.
that is
So-
beautiful. I love that.
But another vanilla, you know, I feel like that kind of threw you off a couple times. So it was a good
Yeah.
decoy.
Yeah,
And
it was a
also
great
just
decoy.
a beautiful scent. All right, I feel like we're all winners here, and both of you have won the reward of my love and admiration. Congratulations. These fragrances are so gorgeous. I feel like it's impossible to even choose a favorite out of these. But let us know in the comments below what kind of challenges you might want to see from us, because we're always up for a good time, right?
yes.
David might be a little scared, but for the most part. And make sure to subscribe so you see more like this. Give us a like to show us some love, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.